My people, check out this innovation where Oyibo people do for us, particularly for us, because they know they do this second-hand tire kind of a thing, and they know they triple or double tire for shipment. So they realistically made it to be saying that we go use them, you know, so for our own consumption. And for my people, we know waiting at the talk. This thing where they see, it don't destroy so many of our people's waste. This is a hard work. When I came new in Europe, I followed them go double tire, triple tire. The thing make me for almost 1 week I sick. I don't see one man where they come market for O2 for Onitsha. This guy is living in Onitsha. So when I saw him in Onitsha, he was already on wheelchair. And this man, if he come market now, so he go the triple tire, the double and the dual. He is a jockey. You know, we they call him that time chingom because his waist, no they kaput, but no they spoil. But to my own surprise, when I saw him in waist, no feet stand again. He was on wheelchair, literally. So now, waiting me where they show this thing, they say this lady saying at 25,000 euro tripling machine. I just want me to see what do you think about it. Comment on the comment section, because I want us to promote this thing. If our people can not just buy it, but they can as well imitate them. You know, so our people for Abba, the weather guys, they feel just watch and watch and watch and discover how they can create a copy of this thing. So if they sell at like 25,000 euro, our people do and they will get the one where they lesser price on a cheaper rate. It will help our people. Though now here and for abroad, then they do them. You need them, because if they triple the tires, they will come carry and come. Most of the tires what they use for our place now tripling they do them now second hand. And you know, even most of the time if you buy new one, you go think a new tire. I don't buy new tire will be second hand. You know our people. So we need to help our people. Two reasons will make me to do this video, we say, so that weathers go see them, think on how they can copy it. That is number one. Number two, our people waiting say to suffer go take you go anywhere. Now lie, if you make the money finish where your waist no go fit stand again, it is also penny wise pound foolish. The third one, I want to give it up for our sister where they work there, because if to say no be this machine, it's impossible for our sister to go double tire. She no feel, and for her to display where she they work, I give it up to her, because this is her hard work, you know. So help me share them so that other people will eventually see it and make our life easier. Thank you. So I'm gonna play the video so you hear from her yourself.
25,000 euros tripling machine. Hi lovelies, how you are doing? So guys, check out the 25,000 euros tripling machine we purchased, how it works. Alright, here we go.
Easy to control.
Hi lovelies, how you are doing? So guys, check out the 25.
So help me share the video to give it up to us. Okay, if you also see the comment section, they are very interesting too. This one is asking, do you also have the removing one? I believe when our people can see it and imitate it, we need the removing one for our Nigeria, for our country, because if you can't carry the tire come back, we don't triple them, put 4 inside, put 3 inside, put 2 inside. Now somebody will come out and still another big work. So to lessen the labor expenses and so on, we need to know how we can discover all this one. So you have the removing one. It will be easy to invent the removing one to put them inside will be more difficult. So our mechanic, our welders, all this way they weld iron, the just construct them it's worth doing. This one say good job, my sister. You know, so people are also praising her for the work she's doing, and that I love so much. When I saw it, I decided I will do video on this so that we will broadcast good thing, and if you like them, it will move more forward. People will see it as well. So it's your own work to see. I can't send you message. You see, check my bio. Very nice, gorgeous queen. So people are really enjoying it, and thank you for watching. Share, like, and subscribe.